What's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I am going to be testing out and reviewing Twisted Sista, the leave-in and the curl activator cream. And also, if you happen to catch a glimpse of my nails, they're not dirty, they're just stained because we did tie-dye this weekend, so just ignore that. So starting out with the leave-in, it's an intensive leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to be super hydrating, detangling, and it says that it blocks frizz as well. I didn't realize that these products are made in London. So that's interesting. I don't know if I have tried any products made in London, so this might be a first. The leave-in in particular does say that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates on the back here. This one is actually supposed to be for all curl types and textures, but this one in particular, the curl activator cream, on the back, it actually says it's for type 2 and 3 hair. So I have type 3 hair. I actually didn't see that till after I had bought it, but you know, luckily I do have type 3 hair. But just to know, you know, if you're interested in buying them, this one's for everyone. This one might not be for you. They also claim that they are salon inspired. So for me, when I hear salon inspired or salon quality or anything like that, that means that it's a better quality. But you know, I could be wrong on that. That's just what stands out to me when I hear anything that's salon related hair products. It seems like a professional grade level of hair product or something. And also, just because they're, you know, salon quality or professional quality doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna work amazing for your hair, but that's also a possibility too. So also with the curl activator cream, this one focuses more on curl definition and frizz control, and it also says that it adds shine to your hair. I don't know what the hold is because it doesn't really say that if it's a light, medium, or high hold, but it does say that it'll shape and hold, give you volume, bounce, and curl definition for type 2 to 3 hair. So I'm gonna put this towel around my shoulders because I don't want to get my shirt dirty. So I did read the directions. It doesn't say anything about applying to wet, damp, dry hair or anything. So my hair is a little bit damp from the shower, and I'm just gonna jump right in. The smell's not too strong, but it does smell really good. Definitely smell the coconut, and this one in particular, it does say it has coconut, avocado, and almond oil. It smells good. So, oh, this is actually a little bit thicker than I was expecting. I don't know if you can tell with that texture. It's nice and not super thick, but it's like a medium thickness and has a little stickiness to it. So that's interesting, especially for a leave-in conditioner. Oh wow, feels really nice. It definitely has slip. Wow, I love how it feels in my hair. It's almost slimy. Feels really nice. It's just like gliding through. Wow. All right, so the leave-in is thoroughly saturated in my hair, and so far it looks really good. And like I mentioned, it felt really good going throughout my hair. It just glides on through. So next I'll be going in with the curl activating cream. Oh wow, that's pretty thick. This actually smells different than the leave-in conditioner. Per the package, it also has coconut, avocado, and almond oil, but it has a totally different scent. It's much more mild, and I don't know, you can smell the coconut, but it's not as strong. So going in the texture, this one is a little bit thicker than the leave-in conditioner. And it is definitely sticky too. I'd say it's like a medium to high thickness. Okay. If I'm being honest, I feel like I put a little bit too much on this side. All of that I had, I put it on this half of my hair. So you probably don't need that much, FYI. Okay, so my hair is coated in the curl activator cream, and I feel like it's looking good. It's looking promising for sure, and the definition looks good. Now we just have to wait and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I will be back to show you what it's looking like. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is dry. It's 100% dry, and there's actually a little bit more shrinkage than there normally is, but it's not bothering me one bit because I actually really like how it looks. I love how it feels. It feels so good. It feels so soft, and I'm really loving this first day volume that I'm getting. Let's go ahead and go in for this close-up look. First off, I want to point out there's like barely any frizz. Like there's like what frizz? It's really defined also. I love how my curls turned out, and they're nice and clumped too, and they're soft, and it's just everything I ever dreamed of. But no, if you've watched my videos before, you know that I love a good defined soft hold. But I mean a hold that's gonna last, but a nice soft to the touch, because as I've said before, it typically means that my hair is feeling moisturized, which it really is. And I love that. So I am very happy with the results. My overall thoughts and review on the Twisted Sista leave-in conditioner, intensive leave-in conditioner, and the curl activator cream, 2 thumbs up. These are really good products. As I mentioned, this has amazing slip. It feels really good going through your hair, or it felt really good going through my hair. I loved putting this through my hair. I felt like I could detangle, and I think it does say that it's supposed to detangle, and you could definitely feel that when it's going through your hair. I could have ran a brush through also, and I felt the way that the product felt, it feels like a brush would just glide on through. So this definitely detangles. It does what it says it's gonna do, and it blocks frizz, and that's what I'm seeing. And it moisturizes. My hair feels so good right now. So definitely a plus for me. And this is for all hair types and curl types, so anybody can use this. As for the curl activator cream, I love this as well, especially in conjunction with the leave-in conditioner. Of course, I haven't tried these products separately. I probably wouldn't because that's not something that I do, but I do love it. I do feel like it defined my curls and it controlled the frizz, and it definitely has a shine to it. So I do feel like it does what it says it's gonna do. I would totally recommend both of these products. This one does say that it is for type 2 and type 3 hair. So I'm not sure how it would work on type 4. I would probably have to test it out on my daughter to see. I can't speak on that and I don't want to. You know, take the risk if you choose to, if you have maybe type 4 hair or so. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.